We got two springs missing over here in the corner. Should have two just like that side. And this one isn't secure like it should be. I think this one's broken. So I'm missing one spring.
And in this corner of the seat, the springs have put so much pressure on it that it's just about to break. I tried to use the original JB Weld to fix where the edge broke off and where the spring hooks on. And then this side, I just used some JB Weld putty. It's not as strong, but hopefully that's strong enough. Well, since I fixed this corner over here and put it all back together in the car, it's still holding up, but the rears broke off.
You blundering fool!
So I decided to try brazing with silver solder. What I'm going to do is put a piece of metal across the broken part and then braze the two ends. But first, I'm going to clean up the surface of the metals. And now to hook all the springs back on. But this video is right after the JB Weld fix. That's on. When I first took the chair out, I found one of the support mounts was very weak. It was breaking through the bottom. And what I didn't realize was a lot of water was coming in from the bottom. There was so much water underneath that carpet that I wrung out about a quarter of a bucket of water. In the freezing mornings, I would have to scrape out all the ice from the inner windshield. So that's probably why.
Silence, you furry fool! I've had it with your whining and bumbling.
Okay, on with the video.
Got the seat all taken out, and now as I pull out the carpet, you can see this bracket is just falling apart. So I'm just gonna do a bit of welding in that spot, and it's pretty wet down here. So actually, you can see some light from there. Oh yeah.
like paper thin.
Yep.
Now I'm just spreading the silicone.